Last year, YouTube paid out around $23 billion to creators. And yes, you heard me correctly, $23 billion. And that is just what creators are earning from the YouTube Partner Program. So what if I told you you could be cashing in on some of that and earning thousands upon maybe millions of dollars for yourself? And this is all going to be without showing your face or even let alone touching a camera or even brainstorming. So welcome to the world of YouTube automation. And this is where faceless YouTube channels are pulling in some serious cash while relying on storytelling and visuals. And the best part is you don't even necessarily need to be famous or go quote unquote viral to get a piece of some of this money. From ad revenue to sponsorships to affiliate deals, there are so many different ways that you could be making money from YouTube apart from just YouTube's partner program as well. And YouTube is hands down one of the most profitable platforms out there, and it opens the door to so many opportunities, which is why I push for it so much. And today I'm gonna be showing you exactly how you can do the same. Let's just dive in, and first up, let's talk about money. For an example, take a look at this channel that I found called English Fairy Tales. And the niche of this channel is simply just fairy tale stories for kids. They have a little over 4 million subscribers, and their most popular video has gotten 42 million views. And it's just a 4-minute video of The Lion and the Mouse in English. Or we've got Maya the Bee over here, or the Sweet Porridge story, which I'm gonna take a fat guess and say that they took this story from Goldilocks and the Three Bears. But I saw this channel and I saw that the videos were relatively easy to create, so I wanted to check out their Social Blade. Within Social Blade, it says that their yearly estimated earnings is around $23,000 up to $370,000, which is 3 times a doctor's salary, all for making these animated clips. So no face, no camera, just a little bit of storytelling. So within this video, I want to talk about diving into this niche because, as you can see, it's very profitable. And coming up with animated video ideas can be a little bit of a roller coaster. And with starting any YouTube channel, it can be a little bit frustrating because it's like, what am I going to create videos about? Here I have my niche, but where do I go next? Some days you're overflowing with ideas, and then some days it's just a complete brain fog. I get it, I've been there. But here is the hack. AI is here to save the day. All you need is a few keywords to give the AI, and it can create a whole story for you. Or it can even come up with video ideas as well. For an example, I'm gonna pull up TubeMagic, and I'm gonna go into the ideate and research section. And first of all, I'm gonna go into video ideas because I don't know what I wanna create my video about. So I'm gonna have English Fairy Tales pulled up over here. I'm gonna copy their handle because that is a good channel within the niche that I'm going for. I'm gonna paste that in there, and now TubeMagic is actually analyzing English Fairy Tales YouTube channel and creating a video idea based on that channel. So here we have The Frog Prince in English. And they even took inspiration from their channel on how they titled their videos, Stories for Teenagers. But this is a good idea, The Frog Prince. And then AI can do the rest, writing you the actual story. Let's say I didn't like that video idea, I'm gonna hit generate again. Next up, we have The Golden Goose. Generate again. The Enchanted Flute. And the video ideas with this can literally be endless, which is why I love using TubeMagic for generating video ideas. Next up, you need to bring these video ideas to life. And I love Princess and the Frog, so I think I'm gonna go with The Frog Prince, and I'm just gonna hit generate script. It's going to take me to the script generator, or else you can go over here and click scripting, type in the prompt that you want, and then you get to play around with the settings over here. Do you want a general script? Is it gonna be for a short? Is it a how-to video? This will be just a general script, 800 words, let's say. I'm gonna hit generate. Now TubeMagic is writing this script for me. We have an introduction, the Enchanted Princess, and then the Frog's Promise, then the transformation, and to end it off, lessons learned within the story. You could choose to use all of the script, or you could choose to use some bits and pieces and customize it to your liking. Now, to bring this video script to life, we have 2 options here. We could take this on over to 11 Labs to create a voiceover. And then if you're looking to create animated videos for YouTube, Canva is a very popular option. And while Canva is fantastic for creating animations, it's a little bit more technical. Because if you make a full animated video within Canva, you're gonna have to assemble your visuals yourself, which can be a little bit tricky if you're new at this. And I looked into this and I was like, how do I bypass that? So if you want a faster, more automated solution, I would suggest using a tool called InVideo AI. And unlike using Canva, InVideo is going to give you your visuals and also edit everything all together for you and do the voiceover as well. So Canva is great for individual elements and shorter videos, but if you're doing a big story time for a full-length YouTube video, I would suggest using InVideo because it's going to generate the video, it is going to animate it, and going to edit it all together, all while giving you a voiceover on top of that. So let's figure out how good of a video can InVideo create for us. So I have it pulled up right now, and I'm gonna hit create an animated film because that is exactly what we are doing. And I think this is so cool that this is even an option online right now. So I guess I get to choose how long do I want my video to be. I'm gonna do just a minute-long video just because we're not gonna be sitting around watching a 5-minute video together. And it is going to be a video for YouTube, or we could do YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Let's do YouTube. And then we can type our topic here. This video is a fairy tale story of a princess, I'm using my imagination for this one, who saves her village and befriends a dragon. Because why not? I tried to put myself in Disney shoes right now. I was like, what would Disney create? But again, you could also use TubeMagic to help you generate these video ideas as well. But off the top of my head, this video is a fairy tale story of a princess who saves her village and befriends a dragon. I want to see that. And then we get to choose, are we going to use only generated clips or images or stock media? We're gonna do generated clips. I wanna see how good the AI is. I think I'm gonna leave it without background music right now. Language is gonna be English. Voice actors, use any. I'm gonna do a female voice with an American voice. For the narrator, we can choose our subtitles if we want subtitles. I'm gonna do clean subtitles with no outline. So for the free subscription, you can use their library of stock media, but if you're going with the paid subscription, that is where you're going to unlock the ability to create animations. I think I'm good with all the options that I've chosen. I'm gonna hit continue and hit generate video. Now it is creating my video for me. Okay, let's see what it generated for us with the free version of InVideo AI. Right off the bat, I already see a watermark. So if I wanted to create a video like they just created for me without having to pay for a subscription, I would just use 11 Labs for a voiceover and Pixabay and Pexels for stock photos and videos, because that is essentially what InVideo did for us anyways. You just have to do it manually, so it might take a little bit more time. It all depends on the budget, but let's see what it created.
Around, young adventurers, have I got a tale for you. There was a brave princess named Lily. One sunny morning, her village was threatened by a grumpy, fire-breathing dragon. But Lily didn't run away. Oh no. She put on her purple boots and went to find the dragon. When she reached the dragon's cave, she found him crying. Why are you so sad?
I could see this entertaining me so much as a kid.
She asked. The dragon sniffled. I have a thorn in my paw and no one will help me. With a gentle smile, Princess Lily carefully removed the thorn. The dragon's eyes sparkled there.
Sweet?
Remember, kindness can turn even the grumpiest dragon into a friend.
Hear that, guys? Okay, not bad at all. But there are so many different ways that you could go about creating a faceless video. You have total creative freedom here. You could create animations through Canva. You could create a video with InVideo AI. You could manually put together stock photos and videos from Pixabay and Pexels and then use an 11 Labs voiceover, which surprisingly sounds very realistic. And that voiceover that we just heard from InVideo was also AI, which is absolutely insane. The robots, they're taking over. I was walking through Target today and I found myself typing to my ChatGPT. I was like, let's put the phone down. Let's put the phone down. You could also use different softwares that offer whiteboard animation styles. There are so many different options out there. If you want even more views on your channel, something that you could consider doing is creating YouTube Shorts. And you could do this one of two ways. One way that you could do this is just take clips from your full-length YouTube videos and then shorten them down into just 60-second versions of those videos. You could think of your shorts as sort of a trailer for your main movie, because then hopefully that short is going to draw more viewers into your main channel. Another tool that you could use to generate YouTube shorts super easily is going to be a tool called VidAI, and it is honestly my favorite. I play around with it too much, honestly. I'm always on there and I'm generating videos, whether it be for fun or whether it be for YouTube. But VidAI is great because you do not have to worry about even writing a script or doing a voiceover or recording anything. It is a software that will generate an entire video for you based off of just one prompt. Next up, we need to grow our channel. And my number one tip for this is going to be posting consistently. And not even just posting consistently, but posting high quality videos of value consistently. That means having a posting schedule, even if this is just once a week. And a tool that I use for posting is going to be a tool called Trello. And within Trello, you can track every step of your progress for your YouTube channel step by step and break it all down. It makes tasks a whole lot easier. And don't forget to engage with your audience, whether it be responding to comments or creating a video because one of your comments was like, hey, we would love if you created a video about this princess. The more engaged your audience feels, the more likely they are going to stick around and watch your content, but also share your content to their friends. So once you've got your animated video up and ready to go, posting it is just not enough. No one is going to see it unless you give it the proper care. So with that being said, we need to pay attention to our optimization department, and that is where the magic comes in, or TubeMagic. You need to ensure that your videos are standing out in the search results. We're putting all this work into our videos, or quote unquote work with AI on our side, but we want people to be viewing these videos. I'm gonna go back on over to TubeMagic and I'm gonna go into the upload and optimize section. And this is where we can come up with optimized titles, tags, and descriptions. You can do each one separately, or you could do all three of them in one go. First, I'm gonna play around with the video title generator. And I'm gonna put in my content. I'm gonna put, this is a fairy tale video about the Frog Prince. And we're gonna hit generate. The Frog Prince, a magical fairy tale retold. From frog to prince, enchanting story unveiled. Kiss the frog, meet the prince, fairy tale magic. Or let's say I didn't like any of those video titles, I could hit generate again. And then it's gonna give me a new set of titles. And you could just keep going with this until you find a title that you absolutely love. My rule of thumb is finding a video title that really stands out to you, because chances are it's going to jump out to a viewer on YouTube as well. And with that being said, I would probably go with this one, Kiss the Frog, ? Discover the magic of true love, because this one has that element of mystery. What happens when somebody kisses the frog? Now that we have a video title, we need a video description. So I'm just gonna paste the title of my video here, and then I'm gonna put, this is a fairy tale. Now our description is done and it is packed with keywords. Dive into the enchanting world of fairy tales as we explore the timeless theme of love and kiss the frog. Discover the magic of true love. This video unravels the captivating narrative that teaches us about transformation, acceptance, and finding true love in unexpected places. And that is a perfect description for a fairy tale and is packed with keywords that is going to get those story time lovers to our video. The last thing that we could do to optimize our video is come up with video tags. That way when people search for our video pops up. So I'm gonna paste my other prompt into this one and hit generate. Now we've got all of our tags: fairy tale magic, true love story, kiss the frog, enchanted love, love transformation, on and on and on. These tags are perfect for a fairy tale story. Now optimizing your video is not just about adding random keywords here and there. It's about crafting a strategy that is going to bring in viewers and also keep people watching and encouraging them to stick around. And TubeMagic helps you do that very effectively while taking out all of the guesswork for you. So here's the big picture. We live in a time where, yes, even you can use AI and YouTube automation to create a channel for yourself and make real money online. From tools like Canva to TubeMagic to InVideo to VidAI, there are so many different options out there. So now you have some good information to get started on creating your first fairy tale video. But remember, it is not just about the tools, it is also about how you utilize them. Be consistent, stay creative, and always deliver content that matters to your audience. audience. That's what separates the noise from channels that win. If you're serious about getting started with your YouTube channel today, make sure to check out this free training for making money with AI and YouTube, and make sure to sign up for TubeMagic down below. We put together a free trial for you guys, and you won't want to miss out. It's seriously one of my favorite tools out there. Make sure to check it out, and we'll see you guys there.